Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's been about over 2 years since I did a video on this Squaredrop camper project, and you know, I had some health issues not long after I bought this trailer, but got all those fixed. I think have lots more motivation now, and going to start tackling this Squaredrop camper project again. So hope you'll look forward to that and follow along with me. Today I'm going to start out by taking some 2x4s and some plywood and kind of making the base or the floor for the Squaredrop camper, and then I'll be doing some waterproofing and painting to get it hopefully waterproof on the underneath side, and we're just going to see how far we can get today. So let's get started. I realized quickly that this thing was going to become way too heavy for me to move it around by myself. So I looked at my furniture dollies and noticed that the gap between the carpeted areas was 7 1/4 inches, which just happens to be the same width as a 2x8. I cut a couple of 2x8s 60 inches long and then flipped them over and cut a couple more small pieces to fit snugly inside the furniture dollies. Then I used some pocket hole screws to add a couple of 2x4s to make one big dolly so that I can easily move the Squaredrop camper in and out of the garage until I'm ready to mount it on the trailer. I have made some planned drawings for this Squaredrop camper project, and I will probably make them available at the end of this build once I have updated them with any changes that I may make along the way. If you'd like to follow along with this build, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the little bell to turn on the notifications so you will be notified when I release a new video. Until the next one, thank you very much for watching.